Hi guys, in this video we are going to do a quick teardown of this ELTA radio. It is water resistant, not waterproof. You cannot get it underwater, but if steam or water drops get onto it, it doesn't have any problem. As you can see, it has a rubber seal all around. Every knob has seals. It has batteries on the back. If I could actually get it open. Oh well, dropping stuff. Another seal here for the battery. Let me just put this back. Here are some specs. It didn't come with this antenna. I added this a few years ago from another radio. It should bend, or did I tighten this? Maybe I tightened this enough so it doesn't bend anymore. Or actually it does. I wasn't really sure about it. Okay, that's about that. And as you can see, it has a ton of screws all around to make sure it squeezes onto the rubber all around very well. You can put it on the wall with two screws or with two, how you call them? One moment. I think they are called suction cups. Okay, something like that. And it also had the option to be hang onto something with a band that came from these two ears, or what you want to call them, what they are. I have no clue. So yeah, let's do this. This will take a little bit of time. This is really well made. I bought another ELTA that was actually waterproof. It was a little yellow duck, and that thing was really tough. Also this one is really tough, but that one was even tougher. So they are really well built. And the screws will take a while, so I'll come back when I finish. Okay, all the screws are out. Two of them are from the battery compartment, so they are a little bit shorter. And this is the inside. The yellow wire is the one that I added for the antenna. Hopefully you can see. Not a really beautiful job I did there, but it is working. And I've attached it, one moment, to this point where its original internal antenna started to go all around here. So I added this one to my extended exterior antenna. This is one wire that I not only now see that is actually broken from now when I opened it. So I have to solder that on. Tiny 0.5 watt speaker, and I have no clue if you can see that, but the speaker is actually made of plastic. Now you can see it, and it is transparent, so it has no issues with water whatsoever. And probably, hopefully, it has a seal all around it, plus this glue here. It should have a seal, because otherwise water can come in through those holes and next to the speaker and get to this part. So yeah, pretty nice. I will glue this wire solder actually in place again, and yeah, that's about it. Nothing much to see inside, but pretty decent design, and it lasts a lot of time. And from what I remember, these things, as you can see, are split in here, so you can take this part out, undo a screw, and then take them out completely. And I think this doesn't even have a screw, you just pull on it. But as I told you, they have rubber, so I'm not really keen on on pulling them out again. So yeah, that's been a really short and close look at this frog. Pretty nice, pretty loud. It gets the job done in the shower, for example. Really nice colors. So yeah, I'm going to start putting it back together. Okay, if this wire broke, let's take a better look. You can clearly see my wire here, the antenna that I made, signs of super glue around this because I sealed the antenna in place all around with lots of super glue. And I don't really remember if these signs of glue around here are original or I put that. And there is glue all around this speaker, but again, I don't remember if I put that or it's original. Probably when I opened it the first time, I wanted to make sure no water can get into it from anywhere, so I added that. Not really sure, but yeah, that's about it. Let's solder this in place and close it and see if it still works. Okay, it's back together.
Tot pasul. Unul dintre cele mai vechi cartiere din oraș este cartierul chinezesc.
It is still working, no problem. It's pretty loud, but it's not really high quality.
Și formează adevărate labirinturi. Festivalul produselor vegetariene și anul nou chinezesc sunt o...
I don't really have good reception here, that is why I had to put this external antenna. With it, it's decent enough to listen in the shower, and yeah, I really like it. So what can I say, guys? Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.